Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our math video. Please go ahead and take out your math meeting sheet, your November calendar, and your November weather graph. And let's get started. Okay, and let's begin. Today's date is November. Make sure you're gripping your pencil correctly. November 19th, 2020. And how many more days until December? Well, let's find out. It's the 19th, and it is our classmate's birthday. It's Briella's birthday, so if you can, go ahead and send her a little message, say happy birthday, and happy birthday, Briella. And let's go ahead and continue. So we're here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 more days until December. Okay, and our pattern for today. Go ahead, if you need a little bit more time to write that down, take your time. I'm sorry, boys and girls, go ahead and take your time. You need a little bit more time to write it down. Okay. 100, 80, 60, 40. Okay, what do you think that pattern is? But pause if you need a little bit more time to think. Yes, you are right. The pattern goes from 100 down to 20. Let's see. Goes by 20s, I think. Start from the back. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it works out. It goes up by 10s or down by 10s. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, 45 cents is your money for today. Go ahead and show me. Go ahead and show me how much 45 cents is. Well, we have 5 ones, and a penny is worth 1, so we need 5 pennies. And there are 4 tens, so we need 4 dimes. Okay. Our clock is about 7:25. You will be eating lunch today at noon, post-meridian. And the number of sentences for today's number is for the number 6. 6 plus 8 equals 6 plus 7 equals, and 6 plus 4 equals. 6 plus 8 equals 14. 6 plus 7 equals 13. And 6 plus 4 equals 10. Press pause if you need a little bit more time. Okay, now that you're done with that, you're gonna flip over your paper and you're gonna draw your clock, okay? I'm not gonna do it with you this time, but I'm gonna double check. So go ahead and draw that clock behind. Put pause. Okay, now that you're done with your clock, let's take out our November weather graph and let's fill that out. Today is going to be a pretty warm day, so I'm going to put November 19th. And I'm going to color this purple because it is going to be a warm day today. Great. Put that away. Okay, so today we'll be doing something a little bit different. It's almost Thanksgiving, boys and girls. You guys gonna have some yummy turkey and mashed potatoes, all the good stuff that they have for Thanksgiving. Next week, you will see me in a different place. I won't be here in the classroom, but we still have class for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And I will be in New York City. I'm visiting one of my really, really close friends and my baby goddaughter. So you will see me in New York. So if you see a couple little babies in the middle of our Zooms, that'll be why. Okay, but let's go ahead and go on with our lesson. So today, we're going to learn a couple of things regarding our coins. So this is a dime. Do you see it? Let me see if I can lower the brightness. That's a dime. Okay. And Santana can't find her other coin that I printed. I have this one and this one, but we're not talking about that one today. Okay, so we have our dime right there, remember? We have our pennies. So that's the dime, that's this one. We have our dime and we have our penny. The penny is worth The penny is worth 1 cent. Right? The penny is worth 1 cent. And the dime is worth 10 cents. Remember we talked about that? Good. Now today we're going to introduce another coin. And this coin is another silver coin, but it's a little bit bigger. And this coin is of Thomas Jefferson. It is the nickel. So we call this coin a nickel. We call this coin a dime. And we call this coin a penny. Good job. So let's look carefully at these coins. What is the same out of all of these coins? All of them. You're right, they're all worth money, right? They're all worth some kind of money. Now, what's different about these coins? Yes, each one is worth different amounts of money. So one's worth 10, one's worth 1, and then we'll learn about this one. What else is different about these coins? You're right. One is a different color. This one's bronze and this one is silver. Good. That's also right. This one is the smallest coin. This one's a bigger coin, and this one's the medium-sized coin. Okay? So we have been counting dimes and pennies each day. Today we will learn how to count nickels. On the back of a nickel, there are 5 cents. Can you see it? It says 5 cents. Let me see if I can turn on the light. There it is. It says 5 cents, and it has a little house. And at the top it says, et pluribus unum, which means of the many, we are one. How many pennies are the same as 1 nickel? How many pennies do we need to make 1 nickel? Yeah, you're right. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. We need 5 pennies to have 1 nickel. That's the same amount of money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one of these is 5. So if you gave me 5 pennies, I would give you 1 nickel, right? Because a nickel is worth 5 cents. Now, if I had 1 nickel and I said, can you give me some pennies? How many pennies would I give you? 5 pennies. Good job. Okay. When we count nickels, what do you think we're going to count by? You're right, we're going to be counting by 5s. So let's go ahead and practice just counting by 5s. We'll count up to 50. Ready? Let's begin. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Oh, we went up to 70. Do you see how we are counting by 5s? So when you have nickels, you'll just count by 5s. Now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 nickels. Let's count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So we have 50 cents. Now, let's count these. Okay. So I'm going to add one more. Let's count again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. How much money do we have, boys and girls? Yes, we have 55 cents. Now, let's count these coins. 1, are you ready? 5, 10, 15. How much money do we have here? You're right, we have 15 cents. Okay, so we have 15 cents. Now I'm going to show you three dimes. And then I'm going to show you, and so let's count it first. I think that's two right now. Uh-oh. Okay, let's count. 10, 20, 30. We have 30 cents. How many nickels would it take to make 30 cents? Let's see. 5. Oh, that's a dime. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. How many nickels would it take to have the same amount of money as 3 dimes? Yes, it would take 6 nickels. Okay. We will keep on practicing these as we go on, boys and girls. Thank you so much for participating and watching this video. Don't forget to do your fraction worksheet today. Don't forget to do your fraction worksheet today, okay? God bless you all. Totus tuus, Maria.